everyone, I'm Michelle from Rockin Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily customize your IKEA outdoor setting with my custom slipcovers. So today I have black and white stripe, which is a bestseller here at Rockin Cushions, and watch how super easy it is to throw them on and completely transform your setting. So all you're going to do for the seat cover is open the zipper, and then with a little bit of muscle, you're going to squeeze the cushion in half, and you're simply going to feed it through the opening. And there you have it. So easy. Zip it up and place the zipper on the back of the chair. And same thing for the cushion cover. It has an invisible zipper like this. And you are simply going to feed this through. And voila! Super, super easy. And what a huge difference it makes to your setting. So what you're seeing right now is Duvholmen set. You can buy the Duvholmen inner seat pad at IKEA, and you can also buy the Duvholmen back cushion from IKEA as well to complete your outdoor setting. So if you have held on to your old IKEA cushions for a really long time, it's possible that you have the Arholma model. And the Arholma model was around for a really long time. So if you have those cushions, we actually have covers to fit that size. So the Arholma back pillow cushion is actually the same size as the new Kuddarna version, which is this one right here. So if you want to replace the cushions, this is the style you want to get. But if not, you can simply use our covers on this style or the old Arholma style if you still have that cushion. And our seat covers fit both the Arholma style seat cushion as well as the Duvholmen style cushion, which is currently available in store. And now here we have this Kuddarna style pillow, which is a bit more squishy. So even if your even if your cover is a little bit smaller, don't worry, it just means that it's going to be extra plump. So we'll open the zipper like this. Simply push it through and zip it up. And there you have it. Super easy. So there you go. This combination is the Arholma Kuddarna combination, and you can find the link in the description below and check out our designs. We have new designs every year, every season actually. People love these covers, so check back frequently and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.